Hey team, welcome to our new Sunbather pool solar heating solar system. Okay, just the basics here. Note the solar controller and pool pump are plugged in together. We've moved the acid doser off by itself over here. What that means, when the controller is on, turn on solar controller. If pool pump on and roof hot enough, solar controller will turn on your solar pump. So basic functions, this is all on our app, but on the screen here we'll just push the left arrow button. This will show us the roof. It's currently on 29 degrees. Once we get a 6-degree differential, the solar pump will turn on auto. Important to note, always auto, never on manual, or if it's off, the solar pump will not work. At the end of the season, in your app, simply put it onto winter mode. It'll run once a day, just to flush the system out. If for any reason the system's not working, or if you're troubleshooting or have some questions, just give the team a call. Details in the description below. We'll put Jackson and Justin's numbers on there. So going forward, in terms of the temperature, we're going to use the solar controller temperature, which is currently 11. As our naked system is bringing up 12.3 degrees, which is actually the returning water returning over the cell. So again, we're going to reference the solar controller app. To download the app, simply download Sunbather Sun Switch app on the App Store. When we're linking our mobile devices, we'll simply turn off the chlorinator, turning off and powering off the machine, turn it back on. That will bring the controller into linking mode. Once in linking mode, just add it to your device, go through the prompts until you've got your controller onto your app, and there you'll have full control. Again, any questions, troubleshooting, just give the team a call. Otherwise, enjoy the solar system. Hey team, so we've just got a bit of an experiment here. So we're currently just turned on our pool solar heating solar system, and we've got our naked system here. So the naked system is taking a reading from the cell after the solar system. So this will actually show us what the returning water is mixed in with a bit of cold water. So what that means, the pool is currently on 11, and then we'll just see what the roof is currently on. 26. So as our naked system starts blending in with our returning water off the roof, which we've just turned off, it should turn on in a couple of seconds. This will show us what the actual returning water is blended on the return line once it comes in. How many seconds till the system's going to turn on? 3. So we've got 3, 2, 1. Our solar's just turned on. Go to click in. Okay, so we're on 11 degrees. We did have some residual water dropping back off the roof, which is why it's still warm. 12.6, 12.7, 13. This is returning water off the roof. 13.3. We can feel the solar return line. It's just hammering out hot water. So again, the roof's on 26. 13.5. 13.6, kind of estimating maybe like 14 to 15 degree returning. 14, 14.1, so this is just introducing the solar line. 14.2, 14.4, so it's all good stuff. And that's the power of the roof. So the roof is currently on 26 to possibly 32 degrees, 14.8. And that's that power, the energy sitting up there. We've got a 120 square meter system, or 60 kilowatt output. COP is currently pumping out something around 60 COP, or seasonal COP, which is on par with gas at the moment. Okay, so 15 degree returning, 15.1. Yeah, so let's call it 15 degrees. So pool is on 11. We're on the first week of August. Our returning water blending in back to the line, or returning back to the pool, is sitting around 15 degrees. Ambient water 11. So that's the big difference in power in pool solar. If we had the heat pump on, it'll be doing between 1.25, probably 1/4 degree a day, with super cold air temps, a very low efficiency, very low output. In terms of COP, probably in around that 1. Any questions, just give the guys a call. Details are in the description.